I will not listen these statements that I don't know or I have not studied or anything. I can't listen this kind of things from you people, okay? Let me start with question number 36. This one is question number 36, okay? So, the desert among the following which is not a cold desert. बेटा ऐसा कौन सा desert है जो cold desert नहीं है? Gobi Desert is a cold desert. These questions are of GK, but we will do. Patagonian Desert is a cold desert. Varun, can you try? Atacama Desert is a cold desert. Which is a hot desert?
And Majava Desert.
Very good. Majava Desert is a hot desert. Okay. So please tick it. Correct this answer. 36D is the answer. Majava Desert is the hot desert. It is not a cold desert. So its answer will be D. Okay. Hands down, everyone. Hands down. 36, beta D is the answer. Next, question number 37. The darker zone in the lakes where light penetrates is negligible is called. Means लेक का ऐसा एरिया जहां पर लाइट नहीं पहुंचती है. सनलाइट नेवर फॉल डाउन देयर. ओके. लेक इज अ वाटर रिजर्वॉयर वेयर सनलाइट इज नॉट रीचेस. दैट एरिया इज कॉल्ड यूफोटिक जोन, littoral zone, limantic zone or benthic zone. Who can tell me? Okay, Sanjay, can you tell me the answer? Do you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the answer?
Option 3, littoral zone.
Littoral zone. Very good. Its answer is B. 37B. B is the answer. Littoral zone मीन्स लेक का ऐसा एरिया जहां पर सनलाइट नहीं पहुंचती है उसको क्या बोला जाता है बेटा? लिटोरल जोन. ओके. द एरिया वेयर सनलाइट नॉट रीचेस, दैट एरिया इज कॉल्ड लिटोरल जोन. ओके. अवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 37B इज द आंसर. प्लीज करेक्ट इट. 37B. नेक्स्ट 38. द जोन ऑफ अ सी लाइंग ओवर द कॉन्टिनेंटल शेल्फ इज नोन एज. मीन्स बेटा सी लेवल में जो अपर रीजन होता है. ओके. दिस इज द डीपर रीजन बट दिस अपर रीजन इज कॉल्ड बेथाइल जोन, नेरेटिक जोन, एबाइसल जोन और लिटोरल जोन. हु विल ट्राई? ओके. योगेश्वर, कैन यू टेल मी द आंसर? द जोन ऑफ सी लेइंग ओवर द कॉन्टिनेंटल शेल्फ मीन्स अपर एरिया को क्या बोला जाता है बेटा जहां पर इजीली लाइट पेनिट्रेट हो जाती है?
Ma'am, option C.
No, beta. Anybody else? Varun, can you tell me?
Ma'am, Neretic zone.
Very good. Its answer will be Neretic zone, where the sunlight easily penetrates in the sea, means which is the upper area of the sea, that is called Neretic zone. Its answer is B. 38B is the answer, beta. Quickly write it down. 38B is the answer. Okay. 38B. Quickly. Kanishk, where are you doing your work? Can you show me? Kanishk. Okay. Good. So 38B is the answer. Question number 39. Which one of the following is not a fresh water biomass? Means जो कि fresh water biomass नहीं है. Lotek, Lantic. Choose the option from these two. Devang Shirawat, can you tell me? That is called Lotic or Lantic? Very good. That is called Lotic. Okay, which is not a fresh water biomass. That is called Lotic. Quickly write it down. 39A is the answer. 39A. Next question number 40. Question number 40. Tendency of pollutants to become concentrated in successive trophic levels is known as. First of all, try to understand this question. In this we produce the producers. Okay, this is our first level. When we spread the fertilizers or pesticides on these plants, means जब हम इसके ऊपर दवाइयाँ डालते हैं, pesticides डालते हैं, उसके बाद grasshopper eat that plants, means उसने उन pesticides को eat किया. Then उन pesticides को किसने eat किया? Grasshopper ने. Grasshopper से एक bird ने eat किया. Means ये एक तरह से क्या हो रहे हैं? One to another ये pollution, concentrated pollution क्या हो रहा है? One to another ट्रांसफर हो रहा है. अब इस pollutant को tendency of pollutant to become concentrated in successive tropics level is known as biomagnification, biorhythm, bioremediation, biopiracy. Natik, can you tell me the answer? What is that called?
Ma'am, biomagnification.
Very good. Biological magnification means biomagnification. Please write it down. 40th A is the answer. Biomagnification. 40A is the answer. Okay. Next question number 41. Understand this. What is eutrophication in science? Eutrophication क्या होता है? When the aquatic plants grow in the maximum amount in the water. जब aquatic plants बेटा ज़्यादा grow हो जाते हैं plant water के अंदर. अब what releases the plants? Oxygen. When this oxygen reaches to higher amount in the water bodies, that is called eutrophication. Or algae produces the maximum oxygen in the water. So eutrophication means, write it down बेटा, इसको लिख लीजिए अपनी बुक में. प्लीज राइट इट डाउन. Produces maximum amount of oxygen by algae. Algae are aquatic plants. Okay, algae aquatic plants होते हैं जो कि मैक्सिमम क्या करते हैं बेटा? ऑक्सीजन रिलीज करते हैं. So what is eutrophication? When these algae produces the maximum amount of oxygen, means when algae grows in a maximum amount, it produces the maximum oxygen in the water body. So what will be the answer of this question? Can you tell me? Question number 41. It will result in.
मैम इसका बी वाला हो जाएगा द रिजल्ट ऑफ एक्यूमुलेशन ऑफ
plant nutrients in the water body. Very good. Water bodies में plants nutrients का ज्यादा होना means oxygen का heavy amount होना, that is called eutrophication. Please write it down, which I wrote on the board. Produces maximum amount of oxygen by algae, that is eutrophication. Okay, write it down. So its answer will be B beta. Quickly write it down. Answer is B. The result of accumulation of plant nutrients in water bodies. Okay, next question is question number 42. Increase in fauna and decrease in flora. First of all, write it down. What is flora and what is fauna? Flora are all the animals. Okay, write it down beta quickly. Flora means animal. Oh sorry, fauna means animals and flora means plants. Quickly write it down in your book. Flora means plants and fauna means animals. So Varun, can you tell me first of all, increase in fauna means animals का increase होना, डिक्रीज इन फ्लोरा. अगर बेटा प्लांट्स डिक्रीज होंगे तो क्या होगा?
CO मैम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ज्यादा होगा.
हाँ, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ज्यादा होगी और ऑक्सीजन क्या होगी बेटा?
कम हो जाएगा.
वेरी गुड. सो इंक्रीज इन फोना मीन्स एनिमल्स का इंक्रीज होना. एनिमल्स भी क्या रिलीज करेंगे? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. अब डिक्रीज इन फ्लोरा मीन्स प्लांट्स कम होंगे तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड भी क्या होगी? कम यूज होगी. मीन्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इंक्रीज करेगी. वुड बी हार्मफुल ड्यू टू इंक्रीज इन. क्या इंक्रीज हो रहा है बेटा इसमें? वरुण, कैन यू टेल मी?
CO2
गैस. सो करेक्ट इट. इट इज CO2. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, इसको कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कर लीजिए बेटा, CO2. So its answer will be B. Increase in fauna means increase in animals and decrease in plants would be harmful due to increase in carbon dioxide because it releases maximum carbon dioxide in our atmosphere and it is harmful for us. So its answer will be CO2. 42B is the answer. 42B, carbon dioxide. Write it down, 42B. Done beta everyone? Done? Please write it down. Fauna means animals and flora means plants. Fauna means animals, flora means plants. If animals will increase and plants will decrease, it will increase the carbon dioxide. So its answer will be B, CO2. Write it down quickly everyone. 42B. Next question number 43. It is the most easy question of this assignment. Bhavesh Rana. The largest reservoir of nitrogen in our planet is ocean, atmosphere,
atmosphere.
Very good. What is the percentage of
Thank you,
nitrogen in air, beta? Bhavesh, can you tell me? What is the percentage of nitrogen? Okay, Abhay, can you tell me the percentage of nitrogen in air?
Ma'am, nitrogen percentage ma'am 78%.
Very good, 78%. So largest जो reservoir है nitrogen का, that is atmosphere. 43B is the answer, atmosphere. Write it down. 43B is the answer. Quickly. Next question number 44. Overgrazing. This one is 44. Yes. Overgrazing results in Ibrahim. What happens when overgrazing happens means plant animals को ज्यादा चराना. इससे क्या होता है बेटा? हमारी जो सॉइल होती है वो लूज होती रहती है and this will cause, क्या cause करेगी बेटा overgrazing? इब्राहिम.
मैम soil erosion.
Very good. It causes soil erosion means with the help of water and plants our soil will be transport. ठीक है? So its answer will be soil erosion. We will do the chapter soil erosion also. Then you will understand exactly what is soil erosion. So overgrazing results in soil erosion. Question number 45. In the world, the economy of India is. This is the GK question. Tejas Sandhu, answer this question. In the world, the economy of the India is largest, third largest, second largest, fourth largest. पैसा कितना है हमारी कंट्री में, किस लेवल पर है? फोर्थ लार्जेस्ट, सेकेंड या थर्ड या लार्जेस्ट है? ओके, देवांश, कैन यू टेल मी? देवांश, कैन यू टेल मी?
Ma'am, fourth largest.
Fourth largest. Very good. And Redmi, Karthik, where is your name beta? Change your name. Karthik, change your name.
मैम प्लीज मैम रीनेम को ऑप्शन भेज दीजिए मैम.
Why you changed your name beta?
मैम हमने मैम न्यू फोन लिया तो मैम उसका नेम आ गया.
Okay. Yes, next question. In services output, India is Pranav 10th, 12th, 15th, 4th. आउटपुट सर्विसेज कितनी है? हम अपनी कंट्री से बाहर सामान कितना भेजते हैं? किस नंबर पर है हमारा इंडिया? 10th, 12th, 15th और 4th. ओके, नैतिक, कैन यू टेल मी? नैतिक.
मैम 15th.
15th, very good. Its answer will be 15th. It's 45 is D, 46 is 15th. C is the answer. 46, C is the answer. Next question. Yogeshwar, answer this question. Man's activity leads to air pollution, water pollution, or land pollution, or all of these? हम बेटा ह्यूमन
Land pollution.
No, we do all.
Option C.
Air. We created air pollution also. We created land pollution also. We leads to air pollution also. So what will be the answer, Varun? Air, water, land.
All of these.
All of these is the answer. Write it down. Correct. I think it is given on the last page. These are incorrect answers. Okay. Please correct it. Its answer is D. All of these. Next, question number 40. Question number 48. Who will answer? Devang. Which one of the following is not caused by air pollution? Asthma is caused by air pollution or not?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes. Breathing problem. यहाँ पे problem होगा बेटा. Breathing problems are caused by air pollution or not?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, very good. Slow growth of plants it is also affected by air pollution. So what will be the answer?
Ma'am, AIDS.
AIDS, very good. And AIDS is caused by HIV. AIDS is caused by bacteria, virus, fungal or bacteria?
Ma'am, virus.
Virus, very good. So its answer will be C. It is not caused by air pollution. It is caused by virus. So its answer will be C. AIDS. HIV AIDS is not caused by air pollution. Write it down. 48C is the answer. 48C is the answer. Done everyone. 48C. Next question number 49. Carbon dioxide, methane and water vapors are cold. Arpan Kumar, 49. Carbon dioxide, methane and water vapors are called saturated gases, noble gases, natural gases, greenhouse gases.
Ma'am, noble gases.
No. Who will answer? Havish, answer this question. Carbon dioxide, methane and water vapors are called.
Ma'am, greenhouse gases.
Very good. These are called greenhouse gases and we did this. And greenhouse causes. Greenhouse क्या करती है बेटा? Greenhouse effect gases. Havish. If these gases increases, what will happen?
वो absorb करते हैं sunlight को.
Absorb करती हैं. Very good. These gases absorb the maximum rays of sunlight and causes the global warming. So its answer will be D. 49D is the answer. Carbon dioxide, methane and water vapors are called greenhouse gases. Correct it. 49D is the answer. Question number 50. The soil infertile and unfit for the organisms living in it because. बेटा जो soil है, जो हमारी मिट्टी है, वो infertile means जहाँ पर plants easily नहीं grow हो पाते हैं. Yeah, the organisms like decomposers living there, it is not unfit for that. So what is the reason of soil infertility? उस soil का infertile होने का क्या reason है? Swarit, excessive use of fertilizers. हम जो दवाइयाँ हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा डालते हैं plants में. या dumping of solid waste, हम जो solid waste है उसको dump कर देते हैं, दबा देते हैं. डंपिंग ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल और रेडियो एक्टिविटी वेस्ट, जो फैक्ट्रीज का डस्ट है उनका वेस्ट है उसको डंप कर देते हैं, या ऑल ऑफ दिस. ये सभी रीजन है इसके. सॉइल इनफर्टाइल और
All of these.
वेरी गुड. इट्स आंसर विल बी ऑल ऑफ दिस. राइट इट डाउन. 50th D is the answer. All of these. Its causes 50D is the answer. All of these. Okay. Quickly write it down. Done everyone? So in the
पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए और लेटेस्ट एग्जाम अपडेट्स जानने के लिए डाउनलोड करें कैरियर डिफेंस स्कूल का एंड्रॉयड ऐप.